Ready to dive into the wild world of wolves? Let's go. Wolves are more than just howls and pack hunts. Did you know a wolf's howl can be heard up to 10 miles away? That's like calling your friend from across town. These majestic creatures are top predators, but they also play a crucial role in their ecosystem. By keeping prey populations in check, they help maintain a balanced environment. And get this, wolves have a special bond with their pack. They stick together, hunt together, and even play together. Wolves communicate through body language, vocalizations, and even facial expressions. So next time you hear a wolf's howl, remember, it's not just noise. It's nature's own social network. Stay wild, folks.